Now I want to give you an example of how to calculate pro forma earnings or revenue. And it's a weird term. It's sometimes confusing to people, but it really just means your future projections. And if you're starting a business, it's really almost impossible to have projections because you don't know. You don't have anything to base it on. You don't have a history, right? So the really when you need it is if you have a real operational business at the moment, and then you can base your future projections based on some actual history. Like maybe did you make $1 or $1 million last year? If you have a new business, you have no history. But if you have a existing business, you have a really good sense of where you are currently, and so for that reason, it's easier to base where you're going, and you can also see your current growth rates, and so you base it on that. And this is actually what I did in this business plan here. In the revenue area, right? So again, these are fictitious figures because I'm private about my actual finances, naturally. But you can see that for our purposes, I gave my revenue for this year here, and based on growth projections, I projected next year's revenue, right? And it's as simple as that. And of course, you can project the costs. You can then project, because you have the projected revenue, projected costs, then you also can project your income and profitability for next year as well. But it's based on previous history, right? So that's how you do that.